I just got out of my first shift at Bloomingdale's, and to be honest, it wasn't that bad. My new job is basically, I have become an Amazon guy. I take care of the shipping labels. I take care of shipping your packages to you. So what basically happened today was that today was my onboarding day. And I went there this morning at 9 a.m. I actually came into there at 9:20 because I couldn't find a place. And when I did find a place, there was literally nobody in there. So I had to talk to a random employee guy and he had to guide me. And even with guidance, we couldn't find a manager that literally hired me. So it was a mess. I then did some onboarding stuff. I did some online stupid ass training stuff. And then I told the manager that I could work today. And so I worked from 9 to 4:30 and I just got out. Right now it's 4:40 or something. I'm feeling good. I am so excited to do more. I want to do more. I am literally searching for other jobs right now. In the future, what I want to do is that once I get out 4:30 or 3:30 or 2:30 or whatever, I want to go straight to my second job. And then I just work the rest of that night. I think that's a pretty good idea. And I actually love that idea because I feel so productive that way. I would much rather work for 12 hours in one day as opposed to working 4 hours for 3 days a week. That is so boring to me. That's so horrible to me. I'd rather do the 12-hour shifts. But yeah, I do admit I am sleepy, but that's only because I haven't woken up early in 6,000 years. So I'm probably gonna take a nap right now and I'll see you later. I am currently on my lunch break for Bloomingdale's. This is my fourth shift by now. I'm sorry I have not recorded for the second or the third shift. I was just too tired, honestly. My shift were from 6 a.m. to 2:30. And during my breaks or after my break, I was just napping in my car. So I just forgot to record. My bad. But today, my shift is from 1 to 9 p.m. And it's not that bad. It's actually kind of fun for me. My job is just to package stuff. I'm basically an Amazon guy, but for Bloomingdale's. I just ate my lunch. It's free. It's from my house. It's leftovers. So I refuse to spend money. Yeah, it smells a bit funny. It's been in the fridge for a couple of days, but it's free. That's all that matters. And I have 3 minutes left from my lunch. I was too busy eating and texting, so I'm just talking to you guys now before I go back, before I forget even more. My first week, I worked roughly 31 hours. My second week, the upcoming week, right now is Saturday. Next week, I'm going to work 40 hours, which thank God I'm getting good hours, but it is a seasonal job, so I have to see. But I don't think I'm going to get myself a second job anymore because it is so unstable. I could work either from 6 to 2:30 or 10 to 4 or 5 or whatever, or 1 to 9. What the hell are these shifts? Maybe it's because I'm a seasonal guy, so they are putting me in whatever shifts that's works. We'll see. But right now, I probably cannot have a stable shift because I'm just a seasonal guy. I don't think I have that privilege yet. So we'll see. If I talk to my manager and he refuses to set me on a set schedule, well then there's nothing I can do about it. I literally cannot work a second job. And my only second job that I can do is Uber. Or I can go on Fiverr or something. We'll see. But I'm pretty sure I won't make that much money from them. But I have a budget now. I'm following my budget. The budget is basically 60% towards debt, 40% on needs, and hopefully have a little bit left from that 40% to put towards debt. I'll go more into details on that later when I'm not about to go back to work. I'm going to go back to work now. This is my fourth shift from my first week or first official week at work. And yeah, I'm going to see you later. Yo, what is up? I am back. I just finished my, I think, 5th shift. I'm not sure. I'm going to double check it and I'm going to put it on the screen right now because I literally forgot how many shifts I've done. I am a little bit tired. I feel a little bit weird, but I just finished off my 5th shift. It is Sunday. So tomorrow I'm off and then on Tuesday I work again. The past week, my first week, I did total of 30 hours. And so that paycheck is gonna look pretty decent. And the next week I am working 40 hours. And I don't know. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm not sure if I can get a second job like I planned to. I wanted to so bad, but with this job at Bloomingdale's, they are giving me weird ass hours. I asked specifically for the shift from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. every single day, but no, they would not allow it because I am too new and like they gotta work around everybody's schedule or whatever. So I can't get specifically that shift, but I can strongly give my preference for now. And maybe I'll talk to my manager more and I'll figure out something there. But yeah, if I get another job right now, it's gonna be too complicated. I might have to quit a job or probably that second job to work for this job. And it's just gonna be so weird. So I'm pretty sure my second job for now, it's just probably gonna be Uber, which is what I've done just now. Like after my shift, I felt so productive. I felt like I want to make more money. I want to get out of debt as soon as possible. So I've been doing Uber. It's not that good. It's actually pretty slow. And like in this car, it's not a Tesla anymore. So it's pretty scary. But yeah, I've just mostly been camping. I've gotten like a few orders for like $4. It's basically pocket change, but money is money. As long as the order isn't that bad, as long as it's not a waste of gas, well then I'll probably take it. I'm sorry again. I know I said that I wanted two jobs. I really, really did want a two job. I've been searching 24/7 for a second job, but no, it's just, but 40 hours is still doable. It's still doable to get out of debt, within the next 6 months. You know, it's just, I got a budget. I just gotta, work the side hustle, just put more hours into Ubering. I wouldn't call it a second job. It's basically a side hustle. It's basically like a little gig here and there, It's like, it makes no money. Maybe it pays for my dinner once in a while, but that's about it. Maybe if I'm lucky, it might pay for my gas every single month. If I'm lucky. That's how bad it is. That's how unstable. That is how bad it is, okay? It's just horrible. Maybe I should look into Ubering, like actually driving people in the back. I don't know. But for now, I'll keep trying Uber Eats. Maybe I'll try Fiverr or something. I'll let you guys know. And yeah, for the rest of the night, I'm just gonna keep doing Uber until something happens. Maybe a $20 order, hopefully. Please. But yeah, my first technical week, my first full week is now finished. So technically for this debt-free journey series, my first official work week is now finished. And I'm not going to call it debt journey anymore. I'm going to call it debt-free journey, because debt journey is like, what kind of journey is that? Am I going to stay in debt forever? Is that journey going to showcase my marriage with debt forever for like 20 years or something? Hell nah. It's going to be called debt-free journey. I'm going to get married to money. That is who I'm going to get married to. Anyways, I don't know why I feel this way. I don't know why I feel so hyped to make money. Maybe it's because like, I don't know. I just want to get out of debt. I hate debt. That's how much I hate debt, okay? Maybe I just discovered my feelings, my true feelings for money. Like maybe I've loved money this much all along. So now I'm going to do whatever it takes to get money. But yeah, in all seriousness, my journey is setting sail. I'm going to speed run getting out of debt, okay? And I'm making plans. I'm going to try my best to get out of debt before that 6 months promise that I made with you guys. And yeah, today's date is November 23rd, I believe. It is Black Friday next week, so wish me luck. I'm going to keep you guys updated. And yeah, that's about it from week number 1. If you want to watch Debt-Free Journey week number 3 or 2 or whatever I call it, you can click this video right here. But yeah, that's about it.